How to hide bookmarks in Brave browser? Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to hide bookmarks in Brave browser. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So this is almost the same process in all browsers. So first of all, the bookmarks are all these images on top of my browser. So if I want to hide them, I must click on the three horizontal lines on the top right corner. Now go to Bookmarks, and then I have an option who says Show Bookmarks. This is checked right now, but if I uncheck this, the bookmarks are going to disappear. You must remember that if you open a new tab, the bookmarks are going to appear again. But if you go to a web page, they are going to disappear. So this is how to hide bookmarks in Brave browser. Thanks for watching.